Hello viewers, welcome to the Adobe Illustrator world. Today I am also going to show you a logo designing. So let's get started. Now I am opening Adobe Illustrator CC 2015. Go to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool, and from here select ellipse tool and click on this artboard, and here is width 300 pixel and height is also 300 pixel. I am keeping this and clicking on OK. Now go to the toolbar again and remove this fill color. We just need the outline color, I mean stroke color, and then I am placing it in the position. After that, select this and copy it by pressing Ctrl and C. After that, paste it by pressing Ctrl and F. Now select any corner of this circle and then drag it and drop it by pressing Shift and Alt key in the inner side of this bigger one and drop it now. After that, select this smaller one again and copy it, and then you have to select the upper corner of this smaller circle and drag it to the upper side of the bigger one and place it in the position. Now see the upper line of this both circle, I mean this point, this line I am showing you by selecting this scale. Look at this point should be similar. Okay, after that I am again selecting this one and copying it by pressing Alt and dragging it to the below of this circle and place it in the same position but below in the circle. Now drop it. Now I am selecting all these circles and I have to align it. This is the align key. Before selecting this align key, I have to see this position: align to selection, align to key object, align to artboard. Selecting this point, align to selection, and then I have to select this horizontal align center. Now select it, and then I need another copy of it. Just click on Alt and drag the mouse in the middle point of this circle and then go to the left of this circle. I think this is okay. Now drop it. Now I am showing you the line point of these circles. This point is okay. This point is okay. This point is okay. And also this point is okay. Finally, this point is okay, and then this point is okay. It's most important. After that, now group it and then copy it in the below and press the Shift to measure the position and then drop it. Now I have to rotate this circle. It's because here is a point and this point is also here. I need this point in the left side of the circle. Now select it and then go to the rotation point and rotate it by pressing the Shift key. It's because when you will rotate it, it will be rotated in 45-degree each movement. Now you can drop it. Look both of these. Here is the point is in the left side and then select this and place it under of this smaller circle. I mean in this point, and select and drag it to the position and place and drop it now. After that, we have to select all of this and then go to the toolbar again and select shape builder tool. By selecting this shape builder tool, we can create new shape. How? Look this example. Drag and drop it. This is a shape. I mean this is one shape. Okay. By shape builder tool, you can change the shape size and position, and also you can fill it, and also you can minus the point. Okay, now I am selecting this, and finally this, and drop it now. Drag this, and also this, and drop it now. And then I have to select this bigger one. Just click and drag and finally drop, and then select and this, and after that select and drag and drop it. Okay, and then come here, this, and also this, and then this, and also this smallest one. I think it's okay. Now I have to remove this point, I mean the smaller circle point. By removing this point, I have to complete this logo. Now just press Alt and select this point and just click the left button of your mouse. In the similar way, this one. Now I think it's okay. Go to the selection tool again. Select this and ungroup it, and also ungroup this, and finally all the shape is individual. Now select this one and go to the gradient color. Here is deep blue and here is lighter blue. After that, I have to change the type of this gradient. Go to the gradient and go to the type and change it radial. I think this is okay. Now select all of these again and go to the toolbar and select eyedropper tool. Selecting this, just come to this gradient point and click on it. Now this is almost going to be completed, and then again select this selection tool and remove this line color and come to the toolbar again. Select this line and remove this line by pressing this key, and then look at this. This is almost okay. Okay guys, goodbye. See you next.